In this video, we will see how to check the equality of two arrays. The equality of two arrays. Two arrays are said to be equal if the length of both arrays is same. The length of both arrays are same. And corresponding pairs of elements in both arrays are equal. So we can say two arrays are equal if the number of elements and the order of elements and the content of the elements all are same, then we can say the two arrays are equal. Let us see a small example how we can check two arrays are equal or not. We have taken two arrays, one array 1 and one 2 is the array 2. So we are trying to check is two arrays are equal or not. First what we will do, as per the definition, first we will check the length of the two arrays. If two arrays have same length, then we will iterate in the both arrays and we will compare each elements of the two arrays, and if both arrays have same data and same content, we will print these two arrays are equal, or we will print these two arrays are not equal. We will take some boolean arg flag UUA is equal to true. We will take. Now what we will do, we will check if array 1 dot length equal to array 2 dot length. If both arrays have same length, that time what we will do, we will iterate each element and we will compare the elements data, what data is there. So int I equals to 0 because we are traversing from 0th index, and it should be always less than array 1 dot length, and we will give I plus plus. Here you can use, in the condition you can use array 2 also because both are having same length, so we can happily use it like this. Now we will compare if array 1 of ith index not equal to array 1 of array 2 of I, array 1 of 0 and array 2 of 0, we are checking corresponding elements. If both are having different, then we are changing is equal to is false because they are not equal if the values are having different. So we are comparing each elements, we are iterating all the elements and we are comparing. Now we will check if they are having different length, that is they both arrays have different length, then we are making this is equals to is false because they are not equal. Now we will check if is equals to is true, we will print arrays are equal, else we will print not equal. So what we are doing, just we have created a flag and we are comparing both array length. If both array length are same, then we are iterating the array and we are comparing each value of the array 1 and array 2. If both are not same, then we are treating that is flag is equal flag is false. If the length of the two arrays are different, then we are making that is equal to is false. So let us run this program and see. So it is saying arrays are not equal because the length of the both arrays are different. Now we will give the same length and the same values we will give. So here array 1 is 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 we have. So we have given same elements, and let us run this one. So here it is giving arrays are equal because the order and the length and the whatever the content of the objects are, content of the elements are same. Now we will change some other value and we will keep the same length and we will see. So what it is in, arrays are not equal because the content is different, even though array length is same but content is different. So this is how we use to check whether two arrays are equal or not. We can also use inbuilt method to check two arrays are equal or not. That method is nothing but equals method. That method is available in java.util.arrays class. In this example, if you see, we have taken array 1 and array 2. we are using Arrays.equals method and we are comparing array 1 and array 2. So by using Arrays.equals method, what it is giving? It is returning false because the length of the arrays are different. That is the reason it is giving false. If you see in this example, we have same number of elements and same content. By using Arrays.equals, and we are passing two arrays and we are checking these two arrays are same because the length and content is the same, the order also same. That is the reason it is giving true. So if you see in this example, we have two arrays 1 and 2. The first index has 1 2 3 4 5 and the second array has 1 2 5 3 4. The elements, the number of elements, that is the length of the two arrays are same, the elements are also same, but the order is different. So that is the reason here it is giving false. If you want to compare two arrays with respect to the content only, the order which they are placed, if you don't want to bother, that time what we have to do, before applying this equals method, we have to sort the two arrays. If you sort the two arrays, the elements will be ordered in the ascending order, so that if you apply equals method based on the content and the number of elements, it will give result as true or false. If you see in this example, we have taken same 1 and 2 arrays here also, and we are applying arrays.sort method on 2 arrays, and then we are applying this arrays.equals method. So here it is giving true. If you see in this example, we have taken two two-dimensional arrays. We are using Arrays.equals method to checking that two arrays. Here it is giving false. If you observe here, we are having 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Both arrays has same number of elements and the same number of order and the same content is there. Exactly both arrays have same data, but by using this equals method it is giving false because this equals method will not help us in the two-dimensional array or multi-dimensional array. If you want to compare two arrays are equal, when it comes to in the case of multi-dimensional array, we have to use deep equals method. So if you see here, this one we have taken the same 1 and 2 arrays and we are comparing by using Arrays.deepEquals method. So what this deep equals method is giving returning is true. So this is one of the difference between equals method and deep equals method. What this equals method will help us in the single dimensional array. If we compare multi-dimensional array by using equals method, the results of will be different because it will not help us properly. So if you want to check two-dimensional arrays equality, then that time we will use deep equals method. So this deep equals method will deeply compares the content. So if you see in this example, we have taken two-dimensional arrays and we are comparing. It is giving false because the content is different. Here if you see, the last element of the 1 is 8 and the last element of the 2 array is 9. So the content is different, the data is different. That is the reason these two arrays are not equal. So in java.util.arrays class, this equals method is overloaded method. So if you want to check two arrays are equal or not, we can use these many methods. So if you want to check two integer arrays are equal, we will use int. Byte arrays, character arrays, long, float, short, double, boolean. So we can able to compare all the type of arrays. So it has all primitive types, and also here it is having 6 argument method. If you want to compare the part of the array, that is, if you don't want to check the equality of two arrays based on the whole elements, for example, if you have 500 elements and you want to check only some portion of the two arrays, that time we will use this equals of 6 argument 1. So first argument will be the array 1, first array, and from where you want to start and from where up to which index you want to check the equality. And the next fourth argument is the second array, and the fifth argument is in the second array from which index position you want to compare, and the sixth argument is up to which index position you want to compare in the second array. So after that we can able to compare the objects also by using this Arrays.equals method, and this deep equals method is helpful for in the case of multi-dimensional arrays. So based on these examples, we can say how to check the equality of two arrays. We can use Arrays.equals method. So what this method will do? This method takes two arrays as parameters. This will take two arguments and returns true if both arrays have same number of elements and the corresponding pairs of elements of both arrays are equal. If they are both arrays have same length and same content and the same order, then it will return true. If you want to compare two arrays which have same number of elements and same set of elements but in different positions, that is same number of elements will be there, same data will be there, but the arrays the elements position is different. They will be located in different positions. That time, even though if you want to check, that time what we have to do, we have to first sort both the arrays using Arrays.sort method. By using Arrays.sort method, we can able to sort that arrays. Then we can compare using Arrays.equals method. And we have one more method, Arrays.deepEquals method. By using this deepEquals method, if we are checking multi-dimensional arrays for equality, then we use deepEquals method of arrays class instead of equals method, because deepEquals performs deep comparison of both the arrays. So this is about how we can check the equality of two arrays. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.